Hello students, as you know, our school is going to introduce the classes for IIT and NDA for your benefit. Today we start our first class for IIT and NDA syllabus. I am Jagat Singh from RP School Sigrauli, your math teacher. Today's our topic is inequation. As you know, the syllabus of IIT and NDA is completely related to 11th plus 12th. Our this syllabus include 11th and 12th syllabus, but there is very basic things and there is very open content for the IIT and NDA. So there is first topic, inequation. First we introduce what is inequation. So as you know, there are some sign of inequalities from your 11th or 12th classes. These are the sign of inequalities. So when we define inequation, so we define as a statement with variable or variables. Because वेरिएबल और वेरिएबल्स लिखने का मतलब ये है कि देर आर वन और मोर देन वन वेरिएबल्स इन इक्वेशंस विद साइन ऑफ इनइक्वालिटीज जो हमने यहाँ पर राइट किए हुए, तो दैट इज ग्रेटर देन, इक्वल टू, लेस देन, ग्रेटर देन. दीज आर द साइन ऑफ इनइक्वालिटीज. इफ ए स्टेटमेंट consist variables and sign of inequalities, so we say this is inequation. So for example, if we take an example of inequation, that is 2x plus 3 greater than equal to 0, ये हमारे पास क्या एक inequation है. In this x is variable, here x is variable and this is the sign of inequality. As by definition, this is a statement which consists variable and sign of inequality. We can say 2x plus 3 greater than equal to 0 is a inequation. So this is about the inequation. What is the inequation? How to solve an inequation? Next topic, to solve inequation. So these topics are very beneficial topic, very good topics, and there are next point of the topic is solving inequalities. Inequalities or inequations. How to solve inequations? As you know, in the earlier classes, some rule are introduced in this topic, English topic. Rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3, we discuss in this foreign topic. But you know, earlier in the classes, the first rule is if we have 3 and 3x greater than equal to 0, greater than equal to 4. ये एग्जाम्पल है. इसमें क्या करते हैं, I add 3x plus 2 and 4 plus 2. If we add same number both sides, so there is no effect on inequality sign. Inequality sign remain same, value change but inequality sign same. तो यहाँ फर्स्ट रूल जो हम इसमें इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं वो इसी टॉपिक में कर रहे हैं कि सेम नंबर added to or subtracted from same number added to or subtracted from both sides of the inequation, without changing without changing sign of inequality. Without changing the sign of inequality, we can add it to or subtract it from both sides of the inequation, and the sign of inequality remain same. As you see in this example, this is the inequation 3x greater than or equal to 4. When we add 2 both sides, it becomes 3x plus 2 greater than or equal to 6. A value change हो रही है, but inequality sign does not change. So we can add it or subtract it from both sides without changing inequality sign. This is our first rule to solve the inequation. Now rule number 2. Rule number 2. We discuss now rule number 2. Multiplied or divide same number both sides of an equation without changing sign of inequality. As you know, first rule on the operations and addition and subtraction, or the second rule is on the multiplication and division operation. So as for example, as we see the same inequation 3x greater than or equal to 4, if I divide by 2 both sides, value becomes 3x by 2 greater than or equal to 2. That means I can divide by same number both sides without changing the sign of inequalities. So we can add, we can subtract, we can multiply, we can divide by same number to the both sides of an inequation without changing the sign of inequalities. So this is our first and second rule. Now we discuss third rule. Rule number 3. Terms, that is 2x plus 3x plus 2 greater than or equal to 4. 3x to 4 are the terms of an inequation. So in the third rule, we can shift any term from right hand side to left hand side, or left hand side to right hand side, with changing the sign of term and without affecting sign of inequality. We can shift, that is, there is a term plus 2, so I can shift from left hand to right hand as 3x greater than or equal to 4 minus 2 without affecting sign of inequality. Becomes 3x as x and divide by 3. So these are the rules to solving the inequation. When we say solution of the inequation, by the solution of an inequation we means the value of variable which is used in the inequation. We have to find the value of variable used in the inequation by applying these three rules, that is added, subtracted the same number from both sides, multiplied or divide same number both sides. We can shift any term from left hand to right hand or right hand to left hand without affecting the sign of independence.